Most important question of binomial theorem. Let us see the question. For expand x square plus 2a to the power 5 equal 5 by binomial theorem. So simple technique is what? Here n is what? 5. So simple technique of 5c0. A is what? X square. So a to the power n minus a. So 5 minus 0, 5 into bs power n. So that is what? 0. And c0, a power n minus 0 and b to the power 0. Now the next term will be what? 5c1, again a x square, 5 minus 1 4 into b is what? 2a. So power n, that is 1. So and c1, a power n minus 1, b power 1. Again the next point is what? That is 5c2. And a is what? X square. So 5 minus 2, 3. And b what? 2a power 2. And again next term will be what? 5c3. And a, that is x square, 5 minus 3, 2. Into b. B is what? 2a. 2a to the power what? And c. So that is power is what? 3. Again you know 5c4. And a is what? X square, power is 1. And 2a power is what? 4. Again the last term will be what? That is 5c5. And the first term x square, so power is 0. Second term 2a, power is 5. Now when we solve this number, you know 5c0 is what? 1. So 5c0, 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial and 5 minus 0, 5. So we will get 1. And 2a power 0 is also 1. So here only x power 10. Now see 5c1. 5 factorial, 1 factorial and 4. So we'll get only 5. So here 5 into, that is 2a. So 5 into 2a is what? 10a. So we can write 10a into x to the power 8. In the same way here 5c2. So 5 factorial divide 2 and 3. So 5 into 4 by 2, that is 10. So again we'll get 10 and here 2a square 4. So 10 4 is 40. So my answer will be what? 40a square and x to the power 3 2 is 6. Now the second term is what? 5c3. So again 5 factorial divided 3 and 2. So 5 into 4 by 2 will get again 10. And 2 is 2 power 3 is 8. So 10 8 is 80. You will get what? 80 and x to the power 4 and a to the power 3. Now the next term will be what? That is 5c4. So 5 factorial divided by 4 and 5 minus 4 1. So you get what? 5 only. At 2a power 4, so 2 4 is 16. So 16 5 is 80. So we will get what? 80a to the power 4 into x square. Last term is what? 5c5. So this is 5c5, 5 factorial divided by 5 and 0 get 1. And here x square 0 get 1. 2a to the power 5. So you know 2 power 5 is what? 32. So we will get what? 32a to the power 5. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find using binomial theorem expand x plus y power 5 plus x minus y power 5. And hence find the value of root 2 plus 1 to the power 5 plus root 2 minus 1 5. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? That is x plus y power 5 and x minus y power 5. So this is n is what? That is the odd number. So simple technique is what? Twice. And c0, that is 5c0. A is x, so x to the power what? N minus 0, 5. And here y is, b is what? Y. So y power 0 is only 1. So we will write here y power 0. Again this is what? 5c2. So x power 5 minus 2, 3. And y will be what? That is s square. Again this is 5c4. So in the x plus an, x minus an, then we break it and the number is n is odd. Then we take only even number. 5c0, 5c2 and 5c4. And x will be what? 5 minus 4, 1. And here y power is what? 4. So up to only, because here n is 5, so we take only up to 5c4. So when we solve this number, we will get what? Twice of. 5c0 is what? 1, so we'll get only x5. Here 5c2. So 5 factorial, 2 divided by 2 and 3. So 5 into 4, that is 10. So we'll get what? That is 10 x cube and y square. Here again 5c4, so 5 factorial divided by 4 and 1. So we'll get what? Only 5. So this is what? 5 x y to the power 4. Now we have to find the value of root 2 plus 1 5 and root 2 minus 1 5. So just put x equal to root 2 and y equal to 1. So we will get what? Twice. Here x equal to root 2, so this is root 2 to the power 5. 10 into root 2 power 3. And y is what? 1, so this is 1 square. Again this is 5 and x is what? Root 2 and y is what? 1, so 1 to the power 4. So we will get this number, this is 2. So root 2, 5 is what? So when we multiply root 2 5 times. So root 2, 2 and again 2. So 4 root 2, we will get what? 4 root 2. Root 2 5 times. Root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 into root 2. So root 2 4 times, we will get what? 4. So 4 root 2. So we will get this 4 root 2. And here, this is the 4 root 2 and here what? Root 2 cube. So again we will get what? Root 2 into root 2 3 times. So 2 root 2. So that is 20 root 2. So we will get here 10 to the 20, 20 root 2. And here what? This is 5 root 2. So when we add this number, we will get what? 4 plus 20, 24 plus 5, 29. So we will get what? 29 root 2. So 2 into 29 root 2 is what? 58 root 2. So our correct answer is what? 58 root 2 is our right answer. Let us see the question. Write the general term in the expansion of x square minus y to the power 6. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? That is general term. So general term of a plus b to the power n is given by tr plus 1 equal to ncr a power n minus r and br. So here we are finding general term. So n is what? 6. So we write here 6cr. A is what? X square. So x square power is 6 minus r. And b is what? Minus y. So minus y power is what? R. So we will get here, this is the minus 1. So we can write minus 1 to the power r into 6cr. X power is what? 6 to the 12. And this is what? 2r into y to the power r. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find the 10th term of this function. So you know for this type of question, simple technique is what? That is, we know tr plus 1 equal to what? ncr a power n minus r br. Here we have to find 10 term, t10. So we will write what? t9 plus 1. So n is 12, so 12c9. A is what? 2x square. So 2x square power is 12 minus 9, 3. And B is what? 1 by x. So 1 by x to the power is what? That is 9. So we can write this number 12c9 is what? That is 12 factorial. Here 9 factorial and 12 minus 9, 3. And it is what? 2 power 3, that is 8x to the power 6 into 1 upon x to the power 9. So when we solve this number, 12 into 11 into 10, this 9 will be cancelled out and 3 into 2 and into what? 8. That is x6, x9. So we'll get what? 1 upon x3. So this is the number 6 to the 12. So 11 to the 22, 8 to the 16, 17. 1760 upon xq is our correct answer.